Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. Want to take a second to talk about recent decision that was made up in Michigan. Jury has found the father in the Crumbly case guilty of manslaughter. Just last month, they found the mother guilty of manslaughter. So these are the parents of a school shooter. And a few years ago, their kid went into school, I think killed 4 other children, injured maybe 7 other people. And these 2 parents have now been found guilty of manslaughter. Now, I don't practice in Michigan at all, but I went ahead and tried to find the statute that maybe they're being charged under. It looks like it was like a gross negligence manslaughter case. And so now both of these parents have been found guilty of manslaughter in connection with their child's school shooting. A lot of the testimony relied heavily on some of what the child had said or written about how he was feeling, his mental health, and the prosecutor really honed in on, well, the parents could have done these simple things, and then the gun would have been inaccessible, the child wouldn't have had the weapon, and therefore wouldn't have occurred. But somehow the jury has found these parents guilty. Obviously, stemming from a terrible situation, but the criminal liability aspect for the parents is curious, right? Obviously, this has potential implications in other states that have gross negligence manslaughter statutes, right? And the potential for criminal liability is apparently present. Obviously, civil liability is there, but the standard, the burden of proof is different in a civil case than a criminal case. But like I said, significantly, these 2 parents been found guilty of manslaughter in Michigan for the school shooting that their child was involved in. I don't know that it could happen here in Oklahoma. We don't appear to have that same sort of gross negligence manslaughter statute, but it's an interesting tidbit nonetheless. If you find yourself in a situation charged with a criminal offense, be sure to give us a call at 918-307-1529. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons Graham and Day and anyone watching this video.